All right, so what I'm going to do for you today is try and help you recall some of this prerequisite knowledge that's going to be really beneficial for you when we're working through chapters like 1.3, 1.4, and just maybe other times that we need it throughout this course. So sometimes you're going to be asked to solve for a variable, and the variable is going to be given as an exponent, and that's the case that we have right here. So we're asked to solve for n, and the equation that we're given is 9 equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so what happens when we're trying to solve for an exponent, a variable in which it's given as an exponent, is we have to find a way to make this value the same base as this. Okay, so we should be able to easily see that 9 is a multiple of 3. So we can rewrite 9 as 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 3n to the power of 1. Okay, that still doesn't help us. What we want to do now is rewrite 3 multiplied by 3 as a base with an exponent. So what we should be rewriting it as is 3 to the power of 2 equals 3 to the n minus 1. Now that our bases are the same, okay, we can almost we can work without them. Okay, we're going to set our exponents equal to each other. So we've taken our exponent of 2 and we're setting it equal to the exponent of n minus 1. Okay, we can do that because our base is the same. It has a base of 3 for both exponents. We can set them to equal to each other to solve. Now what we want to do is add 1 to this side, add 1 to this side, and we would determine that the value of n is equal to 3. If we substitute that back into our original equation, we would see that 9 does equal 3 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, so another one just for you to think about and try is 16 equals 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, I would recommend you maybe pause it at this point and try and solve this one on your own, and then push play again to see if you did the work correctly. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is rewrite 16 as a power of 2. We should know that 16 is equivalent to 4 multiplied by 4. But that doesn't help us because we want it to have a base of 2. Okay, 4 multiplied by 4 can be rewritten as 2 multiplied by itself 4 times, which symbolically we can represent as 2 to the power of 4. Now we have the same base, which is 2, so we can set our exponents equal to each other and then solve. So we'll add 1 to this side, add 1 to this side. N would equal 5. We can substitute that back into our original equation and see if that equals out to 16, and it would. So 16 would equal 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, which is 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Okay, so just a little refresher for any of you who may have needed that.